Archangel Michael is the Archangel of Protection, who carries a sword in one hand and the scales of justice, or a sapphire encrusted shield, in the other. His name means "he who is like God," and he represents the teachings of integrity, truth, and wisdom. He is a very powerful angel who you can call upon any time you feel you are stuck or afraid, or if you need to quieten your soul and need protection in some form or another. Archangel Michael is omnipresent, which means that he is available to anyone and everyone who calls him, and he has a vast legion of angels called the Legion of Light who work with him, and so his scope is vast. Archangel Michael is one of the easiest archangels to meet, as his role is to protect and work with humanity. He is one of the easiest to feel, hear, and see, and you will find he is one of the archangels who is the easiest to connect with. The starting point is to ask Archangel Michael for what you need. We must always ask angels to help us, because it is against divine will for an angel to intervene without our permission. So always ask Archangel Michael for help with protection, love, wisdom, strength, and assistance by just saying it out loud. Archangel Michael, protect me. Archangel Michael, help me to speak my truth. Archangel Michael, guide me. Archangel Michael, help me to leave this situation that no longer serves me. Just saying these words will bring Archangel Michael close to you, and with practice you will begin to see the following signs. You may feel your core temperature rise, or a feeling of heat in and around you, and this is the feeling of Archangel Michael entering your auric space. Because he is such a high vibration and powerful, you may also feel a hot flash. When you call Archangel Michael, you may feel like you are glowing and tingling with light, and you may feel sensations on your skin or within your body as his energy moves in and around you. You might feel like you have a bubble of protective light all around you. These feelings are profound and are difficult to explain in earthly terms. It is the experience of Archangel Michael that is important for you, and your own unique sensing of his presence that makes this moment of connecting life-changing. In your mind's eye, or with your physical eyes, you might see blue sparkles or orbs, or you might see signs of him throughout your day. You might, for example, see photos or images that represent protection in some form or another. In the presence of Archangel Michael, you will feel protected, loved, and uplifted. So number 1, you might see sparkles, flashes or orbs or blue light or sacred geometry in your third eye. 2, you might have feelings of warmth or heat radiating in or around your body as Archangel Michael places his orb of light and protection around you. 3, you will be feeling uplifted, protected and loved, and you will feel like Archangel Michael is with you, protecting you, and you will be able to step out into your day with confidence and peace, and you will feel guided and supported like someone is looking over you. Number 4, you will have a tingling in or around your body or on your skin. Number 5, you might see images of Archangel Michael, or swords or warriors or shields, any protective imagery, sculptures of Archangel Michael or warriors, for instance. Number 6, you begin to hear guidance through your intuitive inner voice, or you may actually hear his clear voice and direction. Your thoughts will start to make you feel loved and empowered. This guidance can also come through you overhearing conversations that seem to have the answer to a situation or a question that you had when calling upon Archangel Michael. So you may hear or see someone speaking about that exact same thing in and around you as you go about your day. You may switch on the TV and the very thing that you had been wondering about or had asked for guidance about may be answered right there in front of you. If you are walking late at night and you feel that you are being guided to take a different route, then follow that intuitive guidance, as it is a sign from Archangel Michael. Number 7, Archangel Michael oversees the workings of the throat chakra, so you might feel a tingling or a whirring sensation just here in your throat center and at the base of your neck as Archangel Michael adjusts your throat chakra and releases you from any stuck emotions, thoughts or patterns that no longer serve you. And you may feel that your throat is like being cleansed or cleared, and you will feel more able to speak your truth after connecting with Archangel Michael. A common sign that Archangel Michael is working on your throat chakra is that you start to cough. Don't worry if the signs above don't transpire in exactly this way for you. Just keep practicing your meditations with Archangel Michael. I will post a link below with invocations and ways to practice calling to Archangel Michael, both in your prayers and when you need guidance, protection and support. Notice everything around you during your day going forward, as your signs may come as you're going about your day-to-day life. You may see an Archangel symbol or an image on some advertising. You might see a feather or a symbol of protection. And this will happen so that it catches your attention and has meaning for you. Remember to write down in your meditation journal those things that you need help with and what signs you receive going forward. Remember to date your journal entries, and over time you will look back and you will not only see how far you have come, but you will see how Archangel Michael did hear you and he moved in to start working with you after your direct requests. I have posted a meditation to Archangel Michael below to help you to get started. I also have an online course about Archangel Michael at my website, which I will also post below. Start your journey with Archangel Michael today so that you always feel safe, supported, and able to speak your truth. In the comments below, please feel free to share your experiences and questions about Archangel Michael.